Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn to draw Gandhiji with the help of letter U, V and C. First we will draw a downward U shape like this. This is head of the Gandhiji. Now from this point we will draw a slant U shape. Ear, both the side we will draw slant U shape like this. Now we will draw a curve line like this. Again we will draw a small U shape by connecting this curve line. One more U shape. This time this is little bigger U shape and the last one is more bigger. And a small curve line in the last. On the left side we will draw letter C like this. One more letter C. And extend letter C curve line little bit like this. Write letter V here in this way and extend V line like this. Now make 2 points here and draw V shape, letter V here in this way. Give a little curve shape to your letter V lines. Now we will draw letter C here 3 times. Now draw a U shape here and extend this U line and connect it with V shape. Similarly here we will draw letter C and connect with U. Now we will draw legs. To draw legs we will draw up and down side curve line. One more up and down side curve line. Similarly we will draw second leg. Now we will complete the hand. Draw a curve line like this. Draw thumb. Add a slanting line like this. This is stick of Gandhiji. And draw fingers. Now add some pattern in Gandhiji's clothes. Pencil sketch is complete. Now we will do outline. You can use black color sketch pen or gel pen to do outline. After completing outline, erase the pencil marks. Now we will color it. So here in an easy way with the help of letters I have tried to explain you. I hope you like this drawing. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.